Hello everyone. Thanks for joining my channel, RPGuru Tech Talk. This is Renu Prasad. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to watch more fun videos and also get updated when new videos are uploaded in my channel. Thank you so much.
In this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to help you with improving your LinkedIn profile if you have one, or create a new one. So my first question to ChatGPT is, what are the important aspects of a LinkedIn profile? So it's going to give me the details which would be very useful. It says I need a professional headshot, which in my profile I do. A clear and concise headline that summarizes your professional brand. So I do have it, but I might need some help from ChatGPT. So it lists all the things. I probably have it on my LinkedIn profile, but I may need its help. So then my next question to ChatGPT is, does search engine optimization content, search engine optimized content, does it matter for the profile? So it actually gives me a good answer saying it can play a role, but the focus should be on having a professional profile and list out all the details that I need to show to match my skills and my current market availability, kind of thing. So it's pretty intensive. I mean, it's as good as going to a professional and getting help with updating your LinkedIn profile. My next question to ChatGPT is, I'm going to copy my about section. I've been maintaining my about section my own. Nobody has helped me with this, so I want to see what does ChatGPT think about it. So and what can it help with? So I'm saying I just copied the about section, and I am asking ChatGPT to help with SEO rich content for my about section. So I paste my section there, and let's see what it says. So please watch this video till the end. I mean, there's a lot of information where ChatGPT helps with LinkedIn profiles. So please watch to the end and like the video if this helped you. Thank you. So now it's rebuilding my about section with a little more sophistication, and looks like it has some great stuff, great changes on the about section. So I'll probably copy this and keep a copy of it in my notepad. And when I'm ready to revamp my LinkedIn profile, I will update it. But for now, we'll continue. So, but I'll just copy this. So then I'm saying, based on this, I'm asking ChatGPT, what is the ideal headline for my profile. So I'm asking what could be the best headline for this. So it's giving me a good headline. It says consultant. I mean, this is more text-based headline. I might ask it to be more specific, but let's see. So it gave me some good input on that. And then now I'm going to copy the about section revamp into a notepad, and then I'm saying, and the next question I'm going to ask is, let's see, what do I ask it? So I'm going to copy, as I said, I'm going to copy this and keep it in a notepad. And once I'm ready to update my profile, I will pause the video so that I can update my profile, and then I'll share the changes I made and why I made and what I made. So for now, let's continue. So I'm going to ask my next question. How do I update my experience section? So it's a vague question. I may not like that question. So let's see what it says. So it's actually it's telling me how to update, where I say log into my profile and stuff like that. That was not what I was looking for. So I'm going to rephrase that question. What information would be ideal in my experience section? So let's see what it says. So it says an ideal experience section on your LinkedIn profile should include all these things like job title, the company name, and it's pretty much, I mean, it's kind of reflecting what I've done before, but my descriptions are not that extensive. I just put basic one-liners, but it does tell me to put a description and also add skills and technologies used. Let's see, I might need to do that for some of my latest experience listing. So let's see. Now I asked that question. So I'm going to continue with another question. Uh, if I'm going to say, based on my current job, if I'm saying, if I'm a senior tech lead slash architect at my current role, what would be an ideal description for this? So I'm going to ask for help with description. It may not be exactly relevant for the current job I have, because ChatGPT does not know everything about my current job, but at least it'll give me a start to use I'm going to add the description to my current job. So now it says, I'm asking the question specifically, saying I'm a senior tech lead using Salesforce CRM for my current job, and asking it to help with a description for this. So let's see what it says. So it does give a generic description. A lot of it is relevant, but a lot of it may not be. As I said, ChatGPT does not know what my current role is. Each organization I work with has a different requirement for such a position. So I'll just, I mean, this is very useful information. I'm going to keep track of it and use this as a guideline when I update my description for the current job. So it's pretty close to what I do, but yeah, there could be some non-relevant stuff, but I'll have to build it based on that. So it's giving some excellent information there. So, and also it also tells me I have to reiterate that I'm a Salesforce certified application architect, and how many certifications I hold and stuff like that. So it's, even though the description is more towards the job, it also tries to emphasize on my current skills. So I'll just keep a copy of this in my notepad. We will look at it when I'm ready to update my profile in LinkedIn. So for now, we'll continue. I've just, as you've seen, I've been pasting the information as and when I've asked the question, I've got the answers from ChatGPT. So my next question would be, let's see. So what is if you remember, I already have a headline, which a profile header with some keywords. So, but I'm asking it to help me with the profile header for my profile. So it's an amazing thing that it gave me a lot more relevant stuff, which was useful when people search for a resource for that kind of skill. So it's also saying it highlights your skills, certifications, job title, and experience in a concise manner. So it also says don't overdo it, and try to be as specific as possible. So I'll just keep a copy of this and then come back and update my profile at a later stage. So I just kept a copy of its suggestion. So my next question would be, you have any other suggestions for to make my LinkedIn profile stand out? Because in today's job market, having a very professional LinkedIn profile really helps, and to build your network as well as looking for jobs. I mean, I'm not looking for a job, but I want to keep my LinkedIn profile as professional and as updated as possible. So just for my networking purposes. So so it's also saying customize your LinkedIn URL. So I already have it. I have my name as part of the URL. So it's actually giving some great information. Showcase your portfolio, add volunteer experience, get endorsements and recommendations. I do have a lot of them on my profile. So engage with your network, and I've been sharing professional useful videos for helping people do things. So I've been doing that as much as possible. So I'll just copy this all this useful information for my future reference. So I'm just taking some time to just copy this information, whatever it suggested from a conceptual point of view. So I'll just keep a copy of it and save it in a Word document or a PDF and refer back when I need to look at my profile again in the future. So there's a lot of information here which is very useful for me. I'm going to just keep that information as a treasure, right? Because you don't know when ChatGPT will start charging for a subscription, and I may not be in a position to subscribe at that point. So at least I have the information. I've been using it for now, and I just want to keep it handy in for my personal experience and personal reference. So now I'll pause the video and I'll basically update my profile and come back once I'm ready. I'll show you some of the sections which I did and what I did, and whether I took in the entire information suggested by ChatGPT or just took what is required. So I will show you that once I update my profile. So let's finish this step and okay, now I just have all this information which ChatGPT suggested. So I took the headline, which is a beautiful headline, and then in my about, I used most of it, but I didn't want to leave the section where I have my credentials in breakdown. So, and also updated the other thing. So hope this helps, and hope this helps. Talk to you soon. Thank you.